It's pretty commonly known that this car is one of the best driver's cars ever made, period. So I knew I had to have it, and then I saw one for sale, and the moment I test drove it, the first 3 seconds, I knew I was buying the car. The very first thing after I bought it is I drove it here as fast as I could, obviously, because it's an E46 M3. And I had them put it up on the hoist and give it a full workover. And thankfully there wasn't a lot. I replaced all the fluids front to back. And after that I thought I was pretty set for a while, until a little recent episode, which is what brought us back here this time. I went on a bit of a road trip down to Soyuz and back, and I found the throttle response was starting to struggle just a tiny bit. And so I came back, I popped the hood, and I found an oil leak in front of one of the covers on the Vanos. So I brought it to Chris. We talked about the Vanos rebuild, and we agreed just to commit right off the bat to doing the full Vanos bulletproofing, they call it. While we were in there, we found a few other little things, like there was some pitting on one of the lobes on the cam. The valve cover gasket was rough shape, so we decided just to get in and do all of that while we had it apart. I had never heard of Motor Werke. And after I bought the car, I knew that I would want to have somebody who is very capable on German and European cars. So I searched through their website, I read all the reviews, I drove by the shop, and I thought, yeah, these are definitely the guys for me.